Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this makeup look for you guys. I was very inspired by Thanksgiving since it is coming up, and I just wanted to create something you could wear for that day. So if you guys are interested on seeing how I created this look, just keep on watching. And remember, if you aren't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera because they do take long and I didn't want this video to be too long, so I already did them. For this makeup look, I will mainly be using the Morphe 350M palette, which is this one. So that's the one I'm gonna be mainly dipping in. I might use another one because I don't see the shade that I'm looking for here, but mainly I'm just gonna be using this one. So first I'm just taking some of this Maybelline concealer just to give myself a nice clean slate to work with. And just taking any fluffy brush, I'm gonna go ahead and spread that around. Okay, now to set that concealer, I'm just gonna take the second shade in the palette, and with that same brush, I'm just gonna set it. Okay, now going in with my transition shade, I'm going in with this color here, and I'm just using a Morphe 573 brush and putting it all over. Okay, now going in with my next shade, I will be going in with this one here, and I'm just grabbing a smaller blending brush and popping that on the crease. And just bring that up even a little higher. Now taking a crease brush and going in with this shade over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the outer corner of my eye to start giving it some definition. I'm gonna be mainly just focusing this on the outer V of my eye. Whatever's left on the brush and blend that all the way through. Okay, so I was feeling more of a burgundy shade, but that one didn't have one that I liked, so I picked up the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right over here. And with a tiny, I love these brushes, they're just so much easier to work with, especially when you're trying to be more precise. So I'm picking that one up. This one is from Morphe and it's the M562 brush, and I'm just gonna go in with that shade. And I want to define my outer V even more, so I'm going in with this shade. And sorry, I meant to define my crease, not my outer V. I want to define my crease a little bit more. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now I'm gonna go back to the 350 palette and picking up this shade right over here, and another small blending brush. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this just on the outer V of my eye. And I first start by patting, and then I'll blend, but I like to pat first. You wanna bring that same color just in a little bit. this shade over here so I can go ahead and do some more blending so they all blend together. Okay, now going in with a flat brush, I'm going to take some of that concealer that I used for my lids and I'm going to go ahead and clean up the eyelid just a little bit. Okay, I would like to start in the center of my lid. Just kind of mark and then bring it down. I'm not doing a full cut crease, I'm just kind of want to go right in the middle where the pop of shimmer is gonna go. So I'm going in with the Morphe 35 OS palette, and this one is just all shimmers. So I'm gonna go in with this one over here, this really pretty like copper color. So I'm taking another flat brush and I'm gonna go ahead and put that pretty much where I popped that concealer. Okay, now going back with the small precise brush, I'm going back in with the shade we used for our outer corner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in with the shimmer so we don't have any harsh lines. Now going in with some liner, I am using the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do a quick line on the lash line. So I'm not gonna wing it out, I'm just gonna keep it on that lash line. Now using the other side of the eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and black out my waterline up here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes, and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes first. Go in with a light coat of mascara. For lashes, I'm gonna go in with these here. Okay, and lashes are on. Don't you just love how different your makeup looks with lashes on? I just feel like it makes them look bomb. Okay, now moving on to the rest of my face, I'm gonna be priming with the Dr. Brand's primer, and I really need to get a new one because I'm pretty much out. This primer makes my face so smooth. I really need to get another one. And for foundation, I'm going in with the Milani in the shade Deep Beige, and just using a Real Techniques beauty sponge, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. So for concealer, I'm going to use that Maybelline concealer that I use on my eyelids. Honestly, I don't know what shade this is because the sticker fell off. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that under my eyes, and my chin, forehead, and down my nose. Blend that in. To set my concealer, I'm going in with the Fit Me powder in the shade 20. We're just gonna set under eyes and everywhere else that we put concealer. Also, I do like to just bake underneath my eyes because I crease so bad there, so I just like to put a little more powder and just leave it there for a couple of minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna set my neck as well. Okay, now I like to contour with this Wet n Wild brush, and I'm just using the Anastasia bronzer powder in the color Saddle. And we're gonna start with the cheeks. And now I'm just gonna make sure to get my jaw, my chin, and my forehead. For my nose, I do like to contour with this Luxie 207 brush, and I'm gonna pick up some of that same Saddle shade and contour my nose. And now I'm gonna clean up a little bit of the contour that I did. Now going in with some highlighter, I'm using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter and just dipping that with a Morphe M510 brush. And I just love how this highlight just look at that. I'm also going to use some of this to highlight my nose, and I love this little brush for doing that. This is the Morphe M431, and just on the tip here. And I'm also going to highlight my eyebrow with the same highlighter. Now I'm just gonna clean up that powder. Okay, now going in with some blush. And this one is the Tarte blush in the color Feisty. Okay, now I'm going back in with this color over here and that small precise brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lower lash line. Okay, I think I want to put some liner on my waterline, so let's just do it. Now we're just gonna go ahead and finish by putting some mascara in those lower lashes. Okay, one last thing I forgot to do was add some shimmer in the corners of my eyes. So I'm just taking that same Anastasia highlighter and popping some of that highlight in there. Okay, now we're just gonna set the face with some Morphe setting spray. For lips, I'm gonna go in with the color SOFTII, and this is by Colourpop, and the collab that they did with iluvsarahii. And the lip liner I'm gonna be using is from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Moon. Okay guys, so that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, remember to give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed already. And I'll see you guys on the next one.